burst of pure alegría, straight from Central America. The moment the rhythm hits, everything lifts, the colors get brighter, the smiles get wider, and the whole world starts moving to that. Iconic Punta beat Honduras is famous for. Sopa de Caracol is sunshine and sound, drums that dance, voices that celebrate, and a melody that feels like a festival in motion. With the cello jumping into the groove, it becomes a joyful fusion of cultures. Honduras leading the party, the world following the rhythm. Today, the music tastes like happiness. Today, the beat belongs to Honduras. Wepa!